Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are safe and healthy and would have completed the work which I have given you in the last video class. In the last video class, we started a new topic, that is profit and loss. In that, we understood how to calculate profit percent and loss percent whenever there is a profit and loss in the whole process. Today, we are moving to the same concept of profit and loss, but in the question there will be selling price and profit percent or loss percent will be given to you, and you have to calculate the cost price of the item. And one more concept will be there, in which cost price will be given to you and the loss or a profit percent will be given to you, and you have to calculate what cost price. So that we will understand, and how to approach, what formula we are going to use in this question, in this type of concept, that we will understand in this video. So first of all, there will be two formulas which we are going to understand in this video. That is the formula for the selling price and formula for the cost price. So the CP will be denoted by cost price in this formula, and SP will be denoted by selling price. P percent means profit percent and L percent means loss percent. So first formula for the SP is that when there is profit, when there is a profit and cost price is given to, in that case the formula will be 100, that is bracket, inside the bracket there is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiply CP. And when there is a loss, then the formula, and in the place of plus profit percent there will be minus loss percent. So this is SP, that is selling price, will be equals to bracket start 100 minus loss percent bracket close upon 100, then multiply cost price. Now another formula, that is cost, whenever there is a cost price given to you and the profit percent is given to you, then the formula we are going to use to in this formula, first what is given to us, selling price will be given to us and the profit percent will be given to us, and we have to calculate what cost price. So in that case the cost price will be equals to what, selling price upon my 100 plus profit percent multiply your 100. Same way, whenever there is a loss percent and the SP, selling price, is given to you, then the formula for CP, that is cost price, will be equals to a selling price multiply 100 upon my 100 minus loss percent. I hope you understood these two formulas of cost price and selling price whenever there is a profit or loss percent is there. So don't interchange the SP and CP formula. Thus the formula that is there for SP will be used for calculating the selling price, and the formula which is there for cost price, that will be used for finding out what cost price only. So don't interchange it. So let us do some word problems based on the concept of finding CP and SP when the different conditions are given to you. Now this is the question number 5, which is based on profit and loss concept. The question number 3 and question number 4 is totally a different concept that we will discuss later on when the concept comes. And today we are going to discuss only those questions which are based on the topic of profit and loss concept. And this question number 5 says, I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much do I get for it? Now the question is saying, मैंने एक टीवी खरीदी, that is for rupees 10,000 rupees, and I sold it at the profit of 20%. मैंने उस पर 20% के प्रॉफिट में उसको सेल कर दिया. Now the question is saying, how much do I get for it? मेरे को कितना मिला इस चीज में, ठीक है. So now what is given to us? We have been given what cost price of the TV, because I have bought it from somewhere. So CP of TV, that is given to you, how much? Rupees 10,000. And we have been given profit percent. हमें क्या given है? Profit percent is given to us, that is 20%. एंड हमसे पूछा गया है हाउ मच डू आई गेट फॉर इट, मेरे को कितना प्रॉफिट मिला है वो हमें बताना है, ठीक है. हाउ मच डू आई गेट फॉर इट, दैट इज प्रॉफिट हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. एंड फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द प्रॉफिट वी शुड नो फर्स्ट व्हाट इज एसपी. हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए? एसपी ऑफ टीवी, क्योंकि हमने जब एसपी, वी नो द एसपी एंड वी नो द सीपी, देन ओनली वी कैन कैलकुलेट व्हाट profit. This we have to find out. So let us do this question. This SP, that will be equals to what? 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiply your CP. So on putting the values, so this will be 100 plus profit percent is how much? 20. So this is 100 plus 20, multiply your 10,000 upon my 100. So what we will do, we will cancel out, 0 से 0 cancel out हो गया, 0 से 0 cancel out हो गया. This will be 100 plus 20, that will be 120 multiply 100. So this will be equals to what? 12,000 which is equals to what? 12,000. जो आपका SP निकल कर आएगा that is equals to your 12,000 rupees. आपका SP कितना निकल कर आ गया? 12,000 rupees. Now you know that profit is equals to what? SP minus CP. So SP is how much? 12,000 and CP is how much? 10,000. So this will be equals to what? Rupees 2,000. तो 2,000 rupees उनको क्या प्रॉफिट हुआ है, ठीक है, एंड उन्होंने सेल कितने में किया बेटा? 12,000 rupees में. So I hope you understood the concept of finding out SP and the profit when CP and profit percent is given to you. You can also use the formula of profit percent here to calculate this profit. Now we'll move to the one more question which is based on the concept of finding out selling price when there will be what? Loss percent. In this question there is a profit percent is given to you. Now we'll do one question which is based on finding out the selling price when there is a loss. Now this is the question number 8 which says Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? In this question there is a girl Amina who buys a book for rupees how much? That is 275, and she sells that book at a loss of 15%, and you have been asked what is the selling price or how much does she sell it for. What is the selling price of this book? जिस बुक को उसने खरीदा 275 में, उसको लॉस हुआ है 15% का. आपसे पूछ रहा है कि उसको कितने रुपीज में बेचा गया है, सेल किया गया है. दैट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. सो व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस? लेट अस राइट डाउन दैट फर्स्ट. सो द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ बुक दैट अमीना buys, that is given to rupees how much? 275. And what is given to us? She sold it at a loss of how much percent? Loss percent is given to you, that is of percentage 15%. And we have to find out what? Selling price, SP of book we have to find out. ये हमें find out करना है. So you know SP when there is a loss percent, so this is equals to what? SP 100 minus loss percent multiply CP upon my 100. So I'm putting these values, this will be 100 minus 15 multiply 275 upon my 100. So 100 minus 15, that is equals to what? 85 multiply 275 upon my 100. So this will be 517 ja, 520 ja, then 5 5 ja, 5 5 ja, and 5 4 ja. So what we are getting? We are getting 17 multiply 55 upon 4. जब आप इसको 17 को 55 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जो आंसर आपको आएगा उस आंसर को आपको क्या करना है? 4 से डिवाइड करना है. फाइनल आंसर निकल गया, दैट विल बी योर व्हाट? This will be your selling price of the book, and this you will calculate by yourself as a homework. Now we'll move to the questions in which we have to find out cost price and when the selling price is given to you. So let us solve these type of questions. Now this is the question number 6 of your exercise 8.3. Question number 6 says Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? Now there is a girl Juhi who sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. जूही ने एक वॉशिंग मशीन को बेचा कितने रुपीज में 13,500 रुपीज में और सी लॉस 20% इन द बार्गेनिंग में उसे 20% का लॉस हुआ आफ्टर सेलिंग दिस मशीन फॉर रुपीज 13,500 उसको लॉस हुआ 20% का इन बार्गेनिंग व्हाट वाज द प्राइस एट विच सी बॉट इट आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है किस प्राइस पे उसने खरीदा था दैट वी हैव टू टेल सो वी हैव बीन गिवन द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ द वॉशिंग मशीन the loss percent is given to you in the bargaining the whole process of selling that is given to us loss percent that is 20% and we have to calculate the cost price the price at which the washing machine was bought that we have to tell so what is given to us first of all we will write it down selling price of washing machine that is given to us how much rupees 13,500 and loss percent that is given to us how much 20% का loss and what you have to tell you have to tell the cost price the at which this washing machine was bought by Juhi that we have to tell CP of washing machine that is equals to what we have to find out this we have to find out so we know that CP when SP and loss percent is given to us so that is equals to what SP upon 100 minus loss percent multiply 100 so on putting the values we are getting 13500 multiply 100 upon में 100 minus 20 so this becomes 13500 multiply 100 only upon में 80 so ये 0 से 0 cancel 4 2 जा 425 times 2 से कटें 2 1 जा 2 2 6 जा 12 2 7 जा 14 15 में से 14 माइनस करते कितना है 1 so we are getting 675 मल्टीप्लाई 25 so हम 675 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जो आंसर आएगा दैट विल बी योर CP ये क्या होगा आपका कॉस्ट प्राइस होगा एंड दिस यू विल कैलकुलेट बाय योरसेल्फ इन द होमवर्क नाउ द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के जो कॉन्सेप्ट के क्वेश्चन है दैट इज फिनिश्ड इन दिस एक्सरसाइज 8.3 जो रिमेनिंग जो क्वेश्चन है which were there in the page number 169 try these now question number 1 question number 2 question number 3 and question number 4 you will do by yourself the homework which is based on a concept of profit and loss I think question number 1 is given on your homework in the last video so the 3 questions that has remained that is 2 3 and 4 you will do by yourself as a homework which is based on the topic that we had discussed in this video class so with this we finish up the today's class that's all for today have a good day thank you jai hind